Welcome back, sneaker fam. This will probably be the last sneaker review of the year. And this is a sneaker model I've already reviewed before, but these trainers are so nice, I had to do them twice.
I want to say, man, the first time was so nice, I had to do it twice.
Today we're diving into the Puma Club 2 era in the slick black, white and gum sole brown colorway. If you're looking for comfort and style, stick around because this might just be your next cop. I do have to start off saying that these are my second pair. The first was the triple brown version. Well, it was not exactly labeled as triple brown, but it might as well have. And these trainers, they did surprise me. And now I've been wearing these for the second half of this year. I have more experience wearing them now. Let's talk about the comfort. First of all, you know these shoes are set up to compete with the Sambas. So both are flat bottom shoes. But a known fact with Sambas is the cushioning level is non-existent, almost like wearing plimsolls. The Club 2 era is a different kettle of fish. The midsole is rubber, but has no EVA, so you probably be thinking that the ride is going to be solid. You also know that the rubber is not fully solid, it has lattice framework, diamond holes cut out of it, which if you think about it, it should make a difference. So you then adjust your force on the comfort, thinking that, okay, it's not going to be that bad. Then I put my foot in them and my expectation was not met or was surpassed. These are really comfortable. I had to take a double take with these because it was so comfortable. What gave it that comfort is the insole. Yep, the insoles. It's like walking on clouds. Seriously, Puma has outdone themselves with the cushioning on these. The midsole adds a nice bounce. So whether you're walking all day or hitting the streets, your feet are covered. It will be treated well with these sneakers.
Bestie, would you hate me if I asked if you to date me? If I wrote a letter where I told you how I'm feeling, would you wanna meet me where I'm at to see it? We could go much deeper, or could you never? Yeah, I know it's stupid, jeopardize it all, but it's...
Now on to the design. This black and white combo is super clean, with just enough pop from the gum sole to stand out without being too loud. It's minimal but classy, and those subtle details on the upper, it's pure chef's kiss. These work just as well with casual fits as they do with something a bit more dressed up.
I just need to let you know I adore you. You're the only one. I adore you.
As for durability, as I said, I've been wearing these sneakers, my brown versions, quite a lot. And the materials have held up. The stitching is held up, the leather or the fake leather is held up, and the soles is still held up and it's still very comfortable. They actually look very good and very practical. As for durability, these feel solid. The stitching and materials are high quality, so you can expect them to hold up over time. The sole has good grip, making them practical too, not just good looking.
I adore you. I just wanna tell you, I adore you. I just need to let you know I adore you. 24/7, I've got you in my mind. You're the only one. All the time. I adore you. Yeah, I adore you.
So is Puma Club 2 era worth it? Now, in my opinion, I think they are very worth it. Now, I haven't told you the price. If you saw my other video, you will know the price. So these are £60. You probably can get them cheaper even. And because you can get them cheaper, you're getting a really good sneaker with good design, good materials. Okay, they might not be fully leather, might not be fully suede, there might be forks or fake, but to be honest, that's where we are at the moment. People are selling, or manufacturers are looking at saving the world, looking at reducing the waste, reducing the killing of animals, and I get it. So it makes sense to have more fake material. However, the fake material shouldn't be made more expensive, which some manufacturers do. Puma gives you fake materials, but also they're making cheaper. And it makes sense because it's going to be a bit more cheaper to manufacture synthetic material than manufacture leather, wildlife, you know, the dealing with all of that. Or one of the beauty of this sneaker is the fact that because it's £60, you don't have that view that you need to put it on a high pedestal. You will think of this trainer as, I can put this trainer, I can wear it anywhere, anyhow, because it's £60. I know to some people £60 is a lot, but £60 compared to other trainers out there is quite cheap. So having that mindset means that you will wear them more on the basis that you're thinking, well, if it gets really bad and it starts looking awful, I get a new one. And this is why I love this trainer, because it doesn't look bad. When it's on foot, it looks clean. You can dress it up, you can wear it casual, you can wear it sporty, you can do what you want, and the comfort is amazing. So for £60, this is a bargain colorway. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for sneaker reviews, and you'll catch me in next year. This is probably the last one for the year, but don't worry, I'll be back next year. So all people who've been following me for 2024, thank you. That's new and old. Thank you for joining me on my journey. Thank you for watching my reviews, and a happy new year, and hopefully you have a great 2025.